Everyone, do you want to level up your skills with Google E-commerce and Marketing Professional Certificate on Coursera? I will guide you through the steps to enroll. First, go to Coursera's website and search for the Google E-commerce and Marketing Professional Certificate. You will find it under the business category. Click Enroll Now to sign up for the program. And you can either pay upfront or opt for Coursera's monthly subscription plan, depending on your preference. So the certificate consists of several courses that cover e-commerce strategies, digital marketing, and business analytics. Make sure to complete all the modules at your own pace. Now, after finishing the coursework and any required assessments, Coursera will issue your Google E-commerce and Marketing Professional Certificate, which you can add to your resume or LinkedIn profile. And that is how you can earn a Google E-commerce and Marketing Professional Certificate with Coursera. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.